Hi, my name is Dr. Sumit Narula. I am the Dean of Times School of Media, Bennett University. We at Times School of Media, Bennett University are making students future ready with the usage of AR/VR technologies. We are coming up with the labs which will be occupied with this technology, with the technology which is there in the metaverse also. We are also giving them the hands-on training in all the Macintosh stations where they will be able to do the right kind of editing with the full usage of the AR/VR, which is the need of the hour, and no student will be left behind without this proper training of AR/VR and the related software. Times Group is there to help them out because we have large legacy, we have a very big legacy with us, and we will try to use that legacy for our students, and the school is backed by the media professionals. Best of the industry people are there to help us out. There will be master classes by the industry people, and our curriculum is also fully industry driven as per the requirement of the industry and per the National Education Policy 2020. It is a blend of the industry driven syllabi and the NEP 2020, where everything is making the students future ready.